In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scripts in MetaTrader 5. We'll walk through the process slowly and clearly so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to find and run your scripts inside the MetaTrader 5 platform. Scripts can help you automate small tasks, speed up your workflow, and perform actions on your charts with just a couple of clicks. First, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 open and that you're logged into your trading account. You should be able to see your main chart area and the menu bar along the top of the platform. We're going to use that top menu to access the scripts section. Start by moving your mouse to the top of the window and clicking on the insert menu. This is the same menu you might use to add indicators or objects to your chart. When you click insert, a drop-down list will appear. Take a moment to look through the options there so you get familiar with where things are located. From that drop-down, look for the option labeled scripts and hover over it or click it. This is where MetaTrader 5 groups the scripts that are available for you to use. When you select scripts, you should see a list of all the scripts that are currently installed on your platform. Now, all you need to do is choose the script you want to add to your chart. Click on the script name in the list. As soon as you click it, MetaTrader 5 will usually open a small settings window where you can review or adjust any parameters the script might have. Depending on the script, you might see options related to trade size, price levels, or other inputs. If you're not sure what a parameter does, it's usually best to leave it at its default value until you understand the script better. Once you're comfortable with the settings, confirm by clicking OK. The script will then run on the active chart you have open. You might see an immediate effect, such as orders being placed, objects being drawn, or data being processed, depending on what the script is designed to do. If nothing seems to happen right away, check the experts or journal tabs at the bottom of the platform to see if there are any messages about the script's activity or any errors. And that's it. By clicking insert, going to scripts and choosing the one you want, you can quickly add and run scripts in MetaTrader 5 to make your trading process more efficient and consistent.